Good evening, this is All India Radio Kohima. I'm Nabin Pradhan with the evening news and these are the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addresses nation on 75th Independence Day. Nagaland joins rest of the nation in celebrating Independence Day. Chief Minister Neiphiu Rio says there has been significant forward movement on Naga Political Issue. Nagaland Governor R.N Ravi lauds recipients of Governor's Award 2020 for inspiring younger generation and State Centre of Nagaland Languages set up under Directorate of School Education. As the nationwide free COVID-19 vaccination campaign at government facilities for those above 18 years is going on, we advise our young listeners to get vaccinated and also to help others to get vaccinated. We also advise our listeners not to lower their guard as COVID-19 remains a threat to our health. Please stay at home unless it is essential to go out and continue to follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 6 feet for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact National Helpline numbers 011-2397-8046 and 1075 and State Helpline number 1800-345-0019. And now the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today hoisted the national flag on the 75th Independence Day and addressed the nation from the ramparts of the Red Fort in New Delhi. Modi extended his greetings to the people and to all those who love India, love democracy all over the world on the 75th Independence Day. He remembered the freedom fighters who gave their lives for this great nation and paid homage to them. Modi said, "We have to ensure that we meet our goal of building an Atmanirbhar Bharat when we celebrate 100 years of India's independence." He said, "Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas and Sabka Prayas are important in fulfilling all the dreams of the nation." Modi said, "We have to bring out the potential of the Northeast and give them equal opportunities in this developmental journey of the nation." He said the work of connecting all the state capitals of the Northeast with rail service is going to be completed very soon. Modi said, "Today a new history of connectivity is being written in the Northeast." Prime Minister Modi said priority is being given to schemes related to education, health, nutrition, roads, employment in over 110 aspirational districts of the country. Nagaland joined the rest of the country in celebrating the 75th Independence Day today. A state-level program was held at New Secretariat Plaza. Chief Minister Neiphiu Rio hoisted the national flag and took the Rashtriya salute from the parade contingents. In his customary address to the people of the state, Chief Minister Rio extended greetings on the occasion of the country's Independence Day to all citizens of the state and to all Indians across the globe. He said it is a momentous day in the history of our country and also for the state Nagaland to be a part of this occasion. He said, "As we celebrate Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, we are reminded of all the freedom fighters whose sacrifices brought freedom to our people." On the Naga political issue, Rio said, "The hopes of the people over the protracted Naga political issue has risen to a great extent and in recent years there have been a significant forward movement on the issue." Rio said to give further impetus to the peace talks, the state government had formed the Parliamentary Committee on Naga Political Issue, consisting of all members of the Nagaland Assembly and the 2 members of Parliament. Rio said in the recently concluded session of the Nagaland Legislative Assembly, the members unanimously passed a resolution to appeal to the Naga political negotiating groups to come together in order to give the people an inclusive and honourable solution. On the border issue with Assam, Rio said a select committee of the House has been constituted to examine the issue from all aspects. Talking about the COVID pandemic, the Chief Minister said that the government had taken preventive measures in time and moved swiftly to augment the health infrastructure. On the occasion, Rio presented the President's Correctional Service Governor's Gold Medal, Governor's Recommendation Certificate. Besides, Certificate of Appreciation were given to Visema, Sechuma, Ziza Village and New Ministers Hill Colony under Kohima District in recognition for achieving 100% COVID-19 vaccination of eligible beneficiaries. The celebration was also marked by songs and cultural presentation. The 75th Independence Day celebration passed off successfully across Nagaland with ministers and advisors hoisting the national flag. In Mokokchung, Minister P. Paiwang Konyak inaugurated various stalls and gave away awards at district level. In Noklak District, Minister V. Kashio Sangtam addressed the gathering. In Tuansang, Advisor Tovihoto Aye gave away district commendation awards to 9 individuals. In Longlang, Speaker, Nagaland Legislative Assembly, Sharingan Longkumar, inaugurated exhibition stalls. At Dimapur, PHED Minister Jacob Jimomi addressed the gathering. In Phek, Minister Temjen Imla Along unfurled the national flag, while in Woka, Minister Niba Krono graced the occasion. In Peran, advisor R. King graced the celebration, while in Zunepotho and Mon, advisor K.T. Sukhalu and S. Pangniuphom graced the celebrations respectively. In Kipire, Minister Tongpang Ozukum addressed the gathering. Independence Day celebration was also held across various subdivisions of the state. You are listening to the news from All India Radio, Kohima. You can also listen to this news bulletin on our YouTube channel, AIR News, Kohima. All India Radio Kohima celebrated the 75th Independence Day at its office premises today. Deputy Director General Engineering M. Naresh Kumar hoisted the national flag and extended greetings to the officers and staff. Additional Chief Secretary and Chief Resident Commissioner Jyoti Kalash hosted the national flag at Nagaland House, New Delhi on the 75th Independence Day. In his short speech, the Commissioner said that Indians got Azadi 75 years ago and Indian nation had grown to full independence in every walk of life. He also mentioned that in the last year, Nagaland was awarded with the best law and order state in India, which has strengthened the nation. The Commissioner added that in the interior India international boundaries, states of the Northeast are becoming more peaceful and stronger. At Home Come Governor's Award Ceremony in the field of Art, Music and Literature 2020 was held today at Dr. Imkong Liba Ao Hall, Raj Bhavan. The recipients were Buddhi Bahadur Thapa for Arts and Display of Paintings, Kekrilezo Stephen Mark Medom for Arts and Display of Sculpture Works, Benang Nungsang Ao for Arts and Display of Painting, and Squadron Band for Display of Music and Live Performance. While congratulating the award recipients, Governor R.N. Ravi lauded them for inspiring the younger generations. Ravi mentioned that art, culture and music are very powerful medium of expression and added that Nagaland has enormously rich cultural heritage. Every village needless of its culture has remarkable composite expression for the way of life. Chief Minister Neiphiu Rio congratulated the awardees and said the recognition of their works is not only to promote but to encourage the youths in the field of music, arts and literature. Principal Director of School Education, Shanawaz C., has informed that the State Centre of Nagaland Languages has been set up under the Directorate of School Education by redeploying all existing officers and staff of Language Section. In a notification, Shanawaz stated that the decision was taken with the approval of the Cabinet. Nagaland today reported 54 fresh COVID-19 positive cases, 102 recoveries and 4 deaths. Of the cases reported, 27 were detected from Kohima, 16 in Dimapur, 4 in Mokokchung, 3 from Mon and 2 cases each in Wokha and Zunepotho. Total tally in the state stands at 29,151 with 26,490 total recovered cases, while COVID-19 death toll has reached 587. Currently, there are 1,224 active cases. And to end the news, a reminder of the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addresses nation on the 75th Independence Day. Nagaland joins rest of the nation in celebrating Independence Day. Chief Minister Neiphiu Rio says there has been significant forward movement on Naga Political Issue. Nagaland Governor R.N. Ravi lauds recipients of Governor's Award 2020 for inspiring younger generations, and State Centre of Nagaland Languages set up under Directorate of School Education. And that's all the news we have for you this evening. Good night.